Page 138, puzzles. Question 1. Write the missing operation signs to make each of the following true. Well, for these signs it has to be plus, minus, multiplication or division. Plus, minus, multiplication or division, so use a calculator to help you figure them out. And you should always do what's inside the brackets first. So 16 something 5 and in B 29 something 8 before you finish it. Question 2. Find the area of each square in square centimeters. Well, 5 multiplied by 5. If it's a square, it's going to be 5 times 5, 7 times 7, and so on. Make sure you put in the cm and the small 2 afterwards. Number 3. Now find the length of each of these squares. Well, remember, a square, all the sides are the same length. So something multiplied by something gives you 16. So use your times tables. 2 2s are 4, so it's not 2. 3 3s are 9, it's not 3. 4 4s are 16, so the length must be 4. Stay going here. 5 5s, 35. 6 6s, 36. No, stay going until you get to 68. Then they get a little bit trickier. Question 4. 2 multiplied by 2 is the same as 2 to the power of 3. So 2 times 2 is 4, remember, 4. And then 4 multiplied by 2 will give you 8. 3 times 3, get your answer multiplied by 3. That's the same as saying 3 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3 is the same as 4 times 4 times 4. So for these ones here, you just multiply 5 times 5 times 5, 6 times 6 times 6, and so on. But make sure, as I set up here, for example, 3 times 3 is 9, and then 9 multiplied by 3 to finish it off. So question 5a, 2 to the power of 4, so it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You see the pattern. 3 to the power of 4, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And so on. Once it gets to this, f, 2 to the power of 5, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You'll write 2 down 5 times. Here, write 3 down 5 times. You write 10 down 5 times. There is a pattern. You should be able to spot it. This is the pattern for 2f. 2 to the power of 5. So you write down 2 once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. Make sure you put a multiplication sign in between each one. So 2 2s are 4. 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. And then 16 multiplied by 2 will give you the answer. Question 6. If you can read, you should be able to do these. Just take your time with them. They're puzzles, but they're not too hard at all. You don't need to do question 7 or the challenge, but you can take them on as a challenge if you wish.